Without much ado, let's look at the most commonly mispronounced words in India and neighboring countries.
Most people pronounce this incorrectly as pizza.
It's pizza. Repeat after me. Pizza. Wednesday.
It's not Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. Wednesday. Lingerie.
Please do not try to pronounce it the way it's spelled. It's not lingerie.
It's lingerie. Product. Process. Rendezvous.
The most funny way to say this is rendezvous.
It rendezvous. Available. Chaos.
It's not pronounced as chaos.
It's chaos. Chaos means complete disorder and confusion. Development. Swap.
It's not swap.
Swap. With an O. Swap. Jewelry. Pronunciation.
Don't pronounce it as pronunciation.
It's pronunciation. Onion. Sword. The W is silent. Sword. Kangaroo.
If you call it kangaroo, then it'll get offended and stop hopping.
This beautiful animal is called kangaroo.